Starting a coffee shop can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started.
Research and planning. Conduct market research to identify your target audience and competition. Decide on the type of coffee shop you want to open, e.g., specialty coffee, espresso bar, cozy cafe, etc. Create a detailed business plan outlining your goals, target market, menu, pricing, and financial projections.
Legal requirements. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses and permits to operate a food establishment. Check local health and safety regulations, zoning laws, and building codes for your coffee shop location.
Location and space. Choose a prime location with high foot traffic in proximity to your target audience. Consider the size and layout of the space. Ensure it can accommodate your coffee equipment, seating, and storage needs.
Menu and suppliers. Design a menu with a variety of coffee drinks, teas, and possibly some light snacks or pastries. Source high-quality coffee beans from reputable suppliers and select other ingredients thoughtfully.
Equipment and furnishings. Purchase the necessary coffee-making equipment, such as an espresso machine, grinders, brewers, and refrigeration. Invest in comfortable and appealing furnishings for your coffee shop, including tables, chairs, and cozy seating areas.
Staffing. Hire skilled baristas who are passionate about coffee and customer service. Provide training on coffee preparation, customer interaction, and other relevant skills.
Branding and marketing. Create a unique and memorable brand identity for your coffee shop, including a logo, color scheme, and signage. Develop a marketing strategy that includes social media, local advertising, and community engagement.
Menu testing and refinement. Before the grand opening, conduct menu testing with a select group of customers to gather feedback and make improvements.
Soft opening and feedback. Have a soft opening to work out any operational kinks and get feedback from real customers. Use this feedback to make final adjustments and improvements.
Grand opening. Plan a grand opening event to attract customers and create buzz around your coffee shop. Offer promotions, discounts, or freebies to entice people to visit.
Customer experience. Focus on providing excellent customer service and a welcoming atmosphere. Regularly collect customer feedback and reviews to make ongoing improvements.
Sustainability and social responsibility. Consider adopting eco-friendly practices and sourcing ethically traded coffee beans. Engage in community initiatives and support local causes to demonstrate social responsibility.
Remember, starting a coffee shop requires dedication, hard work, and attention to detail. By following these steps and staying committed to your vision, you can create a thriving coffee business.